Panguva ino pane developments letters anoratidza kuti they've leaked, anoratidza kuti these are the structures which are to be installed soon after the ruling party ZANU-PF finally attain or pass the CAB3. Zarabina mashuka anobuda chingwa panguva ino anoratidza kuti the country or the state has been captured. Zvikananda zvaya neplan ronwa kunzi richange rine munhu pasi. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Do you know this later move down conscience? Zimbabwe Kingdom King of Kings. Number 1. The Zimbabwe Defense Forces will be renamed the Mnangagwa Kingdom Army, the King's Arm. Every soldier, regardless of rank, will bear allegiance to His Majesty King Mnangagwa. Number 2. His Majesty King Mnangagwa will appoint his son Prince Sean Mnangagwa as the commander of the Mnangagwa Kingdom Army. Number 3. His Majesty King Mnangagwa will abolish the following ranks within the Zimbabwe National Army: A. Brigadier General, B. Major General, C. Colonel, D. Major. Number 4. His Majesty King Mnangagwa is to redeploy all veterans in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces to non-security departments. Number 5. His Majesty King Mnangagwa will appoint his sons to command the provincial army barracks across all 10 provinces. Number 6. His Majesty King Mnangagwa will have the power to fire or appoint any member of the royal family to any rank within the Mnangagwa Kingdom Army. Number 7. His Majesty King Mnangagwa will have the power to appoint the relative or friends to serve in the Mnangagwa Kingdom Army. Doma developments are kuda panguva ino muZimbabwe. Mboto dzamafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pe-this letter. Pinda comment section medu dzafunguro enyu. Musasubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.